Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of August, it is the Sleek eyeshadow palette. I also have a couple of other giveaways. I'll put links for all of those in the description box down below. It'll take you to the different videos to figure out how to enter them. Here we have Look Fantastic, a box. It's $19 a month. It does ship out every month. You usually get it about mid to late month. It is a European box. It does come from the United Kingdom. And there's about 6, usually there's like deluxe sizes. Every once in a while you have a full size in there. So there's also always, Elle magazine is also always included. So let's dive into the box. Here's the magazine with the gorgeous Priyanka Chopra on it. There's always a little other smaller magazine that talks about the different products and a couple other different articles as well. And the quote inside the box is, "Sunshine is the best medicine." I love the Look Fantastic boxes. They're so sturdy and you can store lots of stuff in them. Everything comes neatly wrapped in the tissue paper. This first item is coming in bubble wrap. Ooh, how pretty. It is the Bellapierre Cosmetics Heatwave Highlighting Palette. There's some really pretty shades in here. So, you know, I said earlier I've got some upcoming giveaways. Be on the lookout for this one. This does retail for $36.20. Says this Look Fantastic Beauty Box exclusive, so you can only get it here, folks. Highlighter palette boosts 5 stunning and buttery colors. This palette can be used for a strobing and subtle highlight or to add a wash of color to the eyes. How to use: dust across the high points of your face. For a more intense shimmer, spritz your makeup brush with the setting spray. Be on the lookout for this one for one of those giveaways. So the Bellapierre is a cruelty-free brand. This next product is also from another cruelty-free brand. It is from Luxie Beauty, and I love the Luxie Beauty brushes. This one's kind of cool. It is their 737 tapered highlighter brush, perfect for that highlighting palette. But I don't know if it's gonna show up on the camera, where it's indented here. Just kind of easy, more aerodynamical. This does retail for $31.99. Illuminate natural glow with this highlighter brush with a tapered shape. The 737 brush helps to emphasize high points of the face, featuring long, soft bristles combined with an aerodynamic design. The 737 helps to blend powder seamlessly into the skin. How to use: blend the desired product over the cheekbones, brow bones, nose, and inner corner of the eye with a lit from within look. This is so soft, you guys. I do like the shape of this, especially for highlighting. Love it. Another cruelty-free brand from Vita, Liberata, is their Beauty Blur Skin Tone Optimizer Latte. This one does retail for $14.49. Prep the perfect skin with a moisturizing formula that works as a primer and self-tanner. Love that it does both. Glide effortlessly onto the skin. This tinted formula leaves skin looking naturally radiant, gradually tanning for a lasting glow. How to use: after moisturizing, use a brush to apply blending over the face. I've been kind of getting into self-tanners lately. So I'm trying to decide, like for my brother's wedding, should I do a self-tan or should I just go get a spray tan and not worry about it? Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. He's getting married December 31st, so I'm gonna be pale white, so I need to do something. By Natura is their herb infused sheet mask, blemish control and rebalances complexion. This This retails for $5.98. Infused with a variety of herbs and vitamins, this multitasking mask rebalances the skin, reduces enlarged pores, and brightens the complexion. Ideal for hydrating and nourishing dry skin. In the summer months, this mask soothes and protects after just one use. Wear the mask for between 15 to 20 minutes, massaging excess serum into the skin. If you don't know, I do a masking review series where I try on different masks and let you know the tea all about it. And so be on the lookout for this in an upcoming masking video. And Natura was also cruelty free. By Rituals, another cruelty-free brand. This retails for $8. It is the Rituals of Holi body cream. Bring a splash of color to your bathing regime with this luxurious body cream that softens and conditions, infused with decadent scent of flamingo flower, invigorating pink grapefruit. This quick absorbing cream melts effortlessly into the skin. How to use: massage into the skin after showering or bathing. Love it. Can't wait to try this one out. By Doucce is the Luscious Lip Stain in Holiday Getaway. This retails for $14.42. It's also cruelty free. With a highly pigmented base color that lasts all day, this vibrant coral lip stain is a perfect summer shade. Apply smoothly and evenly to give lips a plumped and sculpted look, lasting without feathering. For a subtle finish, dab with fingertips to diffuse the color. How to apply: apply to lips using a lip liner to define the shape. I think I don't do well with kind of warm tone colors, so I'm going to be putting this one in one of those giveaways. So I got products for me, products for you guys. Let me know what you guys thought of this box. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.